In this video, I will show you step by step how you can download and install Minecraft for free on your Mac. So the first thing we need to do is we need to head over to a browser, and then you want to search for Minecraft free trial. Once you search for this, click on the top search result right here, Minecraft free trial for different devices, which will then bring you over to this page, and then you want to scroll down till you see this option right here. As you will now notice, there is an option for Apple. Click on this, click on download now. That will then start the download process. And then what you need to do is you need to open up the minecraft.dmg. Simply drag and drop this into your applications, and then once you do that, that will mean that you have installed Minecraft. And then what we can do then is we can go back and then we can search for Minecraft. From here, that will then open up Minecraft Launcher. You might need to create a Microsoft account or log in to an existing one. But as you can see now, this is now loading up. And then what you want to do is you simply want to download the demo version, click on play demo, and then that will then go ahead and open up this right here. From here, what you'll then be able to do is you'll be able to click on play, and then that will then go ahead and allow you to play Minecraft for free. Be aware that this is a free trial, so if you want the full version of Minecraft, you will need to purchase this from the website. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can download and install Minecraft for free on your Mac.